Hi, third grade mathematicians, happy Tuesday. We're going to go over the lesson for the day. And first, let's start with the learning goal. We as mathematicians will understand that area and perimeter are attributes of plane figures. And to be successful today, I can calculate area and perimeter of a plane figure. So what I'm going to have you to do today, you're going to actually listen and watch a video about a book or a book being read to you. And it's about a couple that's going to have people over for dinner. And the party keeps growing bigger and bigger, and how they arrange the tables and chairs to accommodate their guests. So this is actually an exercise about area and perimeter. The next thing I'm going to have you do is then you'll go to this slide, and the wife's name is Mrs. Comfort, and so this is the first arrangement that she comes up with. And this accommodates the 8 tables and 4 chairs, accommodate the 32 guests. But then while people keep joining the dinner party, they're rearranging the tables. And so these are other possible arrangements. It'll make more sense after you watch the video. And then what I'm going to have you do is click on the link, and it's going to take you to this slide, these 3 slides. And this is a Pear Deck where you're going to share your thinking. So here's again, the slide showing you the first arrangements, 8 tables, 4 chairs at each table, and that'll accommodate the 32 guests. Here's another arrangement. All of these different arrangements will possibly accommodate all of our guests. The next slide. So what you're going to do on this slide is, now we're on Pear Deck. Remember how to use that? Just you'll be able to type the perimeter and the area, this table arrangement, the perimeter and area of this arrangement, and C. So A, B, and C, you're going to type in on the slide the area and perimeter. Last slide. This is where you're going to do some thinking. I want you to explain how all 3 arrangements have the same perimeter, but the areas are different. I'm referring to arrangement A, B, and C. After you figure this out, you'll notice they all 3 have the same perimeter, but the area is different. I want you to now put into words why that's happening, what you know about area and perimeter, and why the perimeter is the same, but the area is different. So that's your work for today, boys and girls. Have a good day.